Meaning of fallow deer.
Fallow deer.
Fallow deer.
Fallow deer.
Fallow deer. Fallow deer is a type of deer that is commonly found in Europe, as well as parts of Asia and North America. The name fallow comes from the pale brown color of its fur, which resembles the color of dried leaves or straw. These deer are known for their impressive antlers, which can grow up to 3 feet long and are shed annually. They are also popular among hunters and are often raised on game farms for their meat. Overall, fallow deer are a fascinating species with a rich history and cultural significance in many parts of the world.